So in this video, you'll learn how to install Viber on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 or A56. First of all, you need to choose where you're going to be installing it from, whether it's going to be from the Galaxy Store or from the Google Play Store. And once you've made your choice, just tap on the app to launch it. From here, once you've selected the app, use the search function and type in the word Viber and then search. In the search results, tap on it to view the app details and then ensure that it's by Viber Media. Next, tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your device. From here, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can navigate back to the home screen and apps drawer, look for the app from there and tap on it to launch it from there. You can go ahead and sign in with your details and start using Viber on your device. Thank you for watching. If you don't have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.